Hi everyone, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In today's video, we'll talk about Garmin Watch not turning on, step-by-step guide for quick fix. Number 1. Perform a hard reset. Press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. Release, then press it again to turn on the device. Number 2. Charge the watch. Connect the watch to a power source using the charging cable. While connected, press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. Release the button and attempt to power on. Number 3. Connect to Garmin Express. Install Garmin Express on your computer. Connect the watch to the computer via USB. Press and hold the power button for 20 seconds. Release the button. The watch should sync and function normally. Thanks for watching.